All right, good day to you. Uh, Today I'll be teaching you how to use TMA band strategy with other indicators that are profitable. I've not been using only single TMA band, but I will use two or combine two together. I will show you how you can set this thing up. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do that. I'm going to give you the indicator and the template at the end of the video. Just make sure you watch through and follow it through. It's a profitable strategy. Just make sure you follow to the end. You like the video and do subscribe. Okay. All the indicator I'm going to use on this video, they are all free. You can get them online free. But if you need or if you need it and you want me to give to you instead of you looking for it one by one on the internet, uh, just subscribe and we send it to you, or you can download it at profitingforextrading.com. All right, now let me use Ctrl G to get this grid of my laptop. And if you do know how to, if you are a newbie and you do not know how to actually copy and paste your indicator, the folder you need to paste it, then let me show you. First of all, you go to your file, you click on the open data folder, then you go to MQL4, double click on it, your indicator, then this is where your indicator is. So I have it already, the indicator I want to use. I have it, and that's why I'm not going to copy it or copy it here again. But if you want me to do that, just let me copy it on my laptop. Here is it. Well, let me select all of it and copy. Then you paste it in the indicator folder. Just click beside here and paste it. All right, because I have it already, replace the file in the destination. All right, let me replace it. Okay, now if you are done, that's good. Just close this or minimize it, and then you can go to your to view your indicator. You can just click what I normally do is click Control N, or you can click your navigator here, and here is it. So I'm going to insert the indicator one by one. Let me start with TMA triangular center band. So the first one, these are the settings. Uh, these are the settings. You can leave the alert if you want it, but personally I don't want it, so I will turn it off. Turn this off also. Turn this off, and change the app length to 20. And leave all that in app length to 20. Then the color. Now let me just allow it first, then I will change it again. You can see here, this is what we have, the first one, but I don't need the center line, so I'm going to turn it off. So let's go back to our indicator again. Let's change it, and this is it, the first one. So now then the other one, let me make it bold a bit and not all right, I want to change to the same color, probably white. All right. All right, okay, good to go. This is the first one. Then the second one, the second one too. So I'm going to turn this one off. Then let's change this to either yellow or any color you prefer. Then let me increase this to 3. Then this other thing under the input. Now, the current time frame we are going to change it. If you want to trade it on 1 hour, you can use 240. That is time frame, so that the signal can be generated from 2 4 hours time frame. The app length 20 also. Then the alerts, I want to turn it off. I don't like the alert disturbing me. All right. So we are good to go. After that, just click OK. Now we have it. Now, so we are done with the two TMA band. We are done with it. We are done with it. All right, let me add the other indicator also. So I just demarcate it for each day. But let me put the other indicator. We have TMA, then TD high. You can download this free online also. So do you want the alert? Personally, I don't like it, but you can leave the alert. Squeeze arrow, I don't want it. I want my chart to be clean. So let's turn it off. Draw divergence true, regular true, eating, I don't want that. Price, you might leave it. Divergence, so divergence of price, you might leave it also, or you can turn it off. Every other thing, if you are done, just click OK. Good. Now I need the signal deliver also, so I want to turn this one off, this off also. Then here is it. Here's the indicator, and we have the breakout arrow. You can leave every other setting. If you don't like the alert like me, just turn it off. Turn it off. Then the color of you can increase the width also, either to 4 or 5, depends on you. And I'm going to change the color. Let me change this color to this magenta. All right, good. So here's the indicator. Then this binary indicator also, I've changed the color so that we know which one gives me signal. Let's make this one blue. All right. And then every other setting you can leave it. Apart from this, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, we are almost there. We're almost there. And here is another one. You can add this to it also. Just click OK and we're good to go. Now, this is a complete trading strategy, a complete one that you can use to trade any pairs at all. And I'm going to tell you how to use this profitably without any issue at all. Now we have, let me demarcate it. Just click or press Ctrl Y on your laptop, and I may likely change the candle. Let me change the candle. Just go to property, and then okay, bar up, line, bar down. Let me change it to red. Blue, change to the same color as line also. Then bear candle, I'm changing it to red. All right, we are good to go. Now, this is how I use this strategy. You can use this on 1 hour, any time frame you like, on 15 minutes, depends on you. This is 1 hour. Now, this is how I use it. There's one thing I normally like to see. The two band must intercept each other or at the same point. At this point, you can see, let me just draw this arrow so that you see. At this point, we have it here. We have our arrow here. Yeah, you can see we have where we have it here, the intercept here, and here's another one where the intercept also. But at this point, we do not have any of this arrow present. Now, One thing I must tell you first, we have this arrow, this normally repaint or recalculate, and that's why you have to wait for this to give you signal and follow, and it must be at the either for a set must be at the upper bound. The two TMA must be together, and the indicator, the arrow, the blue arrow, and this coming from the upper. And here is another one, this intercept here, the two TMA band, and we have arrow, the first one and the second one. Here you trigger your buy. Now, so in conjunction with the other one, you combine with this. TDI also gave us a signal here for a buy signal, buy signal. Euro is stronger at this point compared to AUD, and most of this time frame are green, giving us indication that we are in a bullish trend, and that's if you place this trade, it will definitely deliver for you because every other things are in agreement. Now let's move back and check. Now here is it again. The market actually went out of the TMA band, and then we have this followed by this. TMA is an agreement with TMA is an agreement. I mean TDI is an agreement. We have the two arrow, and we are good for a buy, and we ride it to the end. Here is it again, out, intercept out of it, and we have this here, the first arrow, we have the second one, and then when you look at TDI down, also in agreement, we place our buy, our sell rather, and here again, together at this point, all rows together, we have this and the second one, you place your buy signal, your target. I believe some will have been thinking, where do I place my take profit? Your take profits will be at the next upper bound. If you are placing order for a buy, up at the upper bound, for a sell at the lower bound, or when you are okay with your profit, and you can follow your trade with a training store, with a training store. So go back, it's accurate. You can use it on any time frame you want. On any time frame you want, you can use it. It's accurate. It's accurate. So if you need it, or this you want me to send to you, just subscribe and I will send it to you, the complete indicators with the template, so that once we insert it, you see it as it is on my chart. It's a good indicators, good strategies combined together to give us a profitable trading on a daily basis. And if you don't, if you want to trade at 4 hours, then you will have to change some of the settings of this TMA. But since I'm using 1 hour below, I'm cool with the setting. Here you see it again, like taking my trade at the upper, this 15 minute at the upper bound. Here you see it when the tools are always together. Here you see the second one. Then if you move back, you will see what I'm trying to tell you. It will always deliver most of the time. More than 95%, it will deliver. It will deliver. This is lower time frame. It's lower time frame. So, and if you decide to use it on lower time frame than 5 minutes, you have to either change this to 1 hour to 60 minutes instead of 4 hours. Change it so that it will be able to meet up with all this, because I want the two to be together before I place my trade instead of waiting for like 2 days. This is one here for a sell. The second buy, we have buy here. The first buy, the first sell in 2 days. So AOD here, we are not going to do anything. That's why you have to adjust the TMA. So let me show you how to adjust it. Just click on it, and then instead of 240, you can change it to 60 minutes if you want to use this on a lower time frame. So you see now coming together now, so we can place a trade here. So the whole day is not, we didn't miss out on a whole day. So that's how to use it. Let me turn it back to 240, which is 4 hours. I hope you enjoyed the video, the strategy, the combination of the indicators combined together. So kindly subscribe and get this strategy. Is a profitable one. I will be dropping other profitable strategies that you can use to trade. So that's why you need to subscribe. In case I drop another video, you'll be able to get it on time and practice the strategy and practice the strategy. So you will get it first. Do subscribe and like my video. Happy trading. You can check my website or join my Telegram group. You can chat me up there so that we can relate one on one. If there's any other question you need or you want me to attend to, I will definitely attend to you. Do enjoy the rest of your day and happy trading.